Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to save an Outlook email as a PDF. Whether we need to archive important messages, share emails professionally, or keep records offline, this tutorial is for us. On Microsoft Outlook, the first thing we need to do is go to our mail. Once we are in our mail, we need to choose the email we want to save. For example, let's say this is the email we want. To save it as a PDF, we just need to right-click on it. After right-clicking, we should right-click anywhere on the page. Then we will see the option to save as PDF. Once we select Save as PDF, we just need to choose a file name and select the location where we want to save our PDF. After confirming, we can open the file. As we can see, here is our email saved as a PDF on our computer. We can now open it, even if we are offline or without a network connection. This process allows us to convert and save Outlook emails as PDF files quickly and easily. It helps us store, organize, and share our emails in a simple and professional format.